What's up guys, this is Flip from Clean and Flip. This morning we are going to pick up another flip. This is a flip we picked up a couple days ago here. All these weights, 100 pounders, a full set of weights here. About a 30-minute drive over. So we're getting 500 pounds of weights for 50 cents a pound. So we'll see how it goes. See you there. So right now we're stopping by the bank. We're gonna grab some cash. So it's gonna be $240. So originally she wanted like $260 and we bumped her down 20 bucks or so. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up the cash from the bank and we're gonna head over there. Supposedly cast iron dumbbells. They might have some vintage or some extra price for them after they're cleaned up. I'm not sure, but we'll check them out when we get there. Flip out. All right, we got 240 in hand here. Got about a 20-minute drive ahead of us, so we'll go ahead and start rolling. The back roads of Canada. It's quite beautiful out here. Oh, countryside. I like it. So this is 550 pounds worth of weights. I just paid them up, and they're cast iron vintage weights. Let's get them loaded up. Now the plan is to get the heavy ones loaded and secure like this. I don't have the truck today, so I'll have to deal with it. I have a Camry to work with today. Okay. Alright, on to the next ones. These are the 60s. And with the 60s in the front. Got these bad boys right here. Oh. Got some flowers for Mother's Day. Okay, we got the 70s, the 60s. Okay. Put the 50s right here. Like so. I don't want them to damage the seats. Alright. Put these bad boys back here. Get on the road. Alrighty, I have made it home safe and sound. A little bit of a bumpy ride, but we'll put them up like this. The numbers showing. Beautiful weights, I gotta say. Very beautiful. Cast iron. Get 25. Let's go ahead and grab the interior ones here. Got the 50s right here. How old these are. Made in USA. 70s. And that's all of them. Alright, let's take a look. Alrighty, we've got all the weights piled up right here. We've got a pair of 25s, a pair of 30s, a pair of 40s, a pair of 50s, 60s, and 70s. All made in the USA. They'll sell with me putting in no work in. So I can just post them up right now and people will come buy them. We got these weights still. These do need a little bit of work here and there, but otherwise they're sell ready as well. Weight flipping continues. Hi guys, flip out